Hey YouTube, you probably clicked on this video, right? Because you're trying to figure out how to change your beginning balance in your QuickBooks Online account. Well, look no further, I'm about to help you out. My name is Travis Reynolds. I'm a CPA with McKinley Tax Service where we do taxes, bookkeeping, payroll, and handle all of your accounting needs. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to answer your questions. But let's dive right into it, shall we? All right, so let's learn how to change the beginning balance. Maybe you set up your bank account, your credit card account, and you inputted the incorrect beginning balance. So it's very simple to fix. All you got to do is if you go over here to your accounting, you should see chart of accounts. We'll click on that. And this will be all of your chart of accounts. So maybe you put the beginning bank balance wrong. So all you got to do is if you click on view register, we're basically looking for the open balance equity transaction, which is pretty much always the very first transaction. It is the number you put when you set up the account. So what I'd like to do is if you just change it by date, you'll see right here, opening balance equity account. If you just click on it, click on edit, we can change that. So maybe it was actually $500 and not 5,000. You just change that to 500 and you can save anew. I like to hit save and close. That way it closes. The transaction you're editing has already been reconciled. Saving your changes could put you for that balance. We're just gonna hit yes because if you reconciled it correctly, this shouldn't pop up. If you're going to reconcile and you learn that your beginning balance is wrong, that's probably why you're here. But we're just gonna hit yes. And that is how you change your opening balance account. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them as soon as possible.